Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Leo. I'm the founder of Juisir. I'm happy to show you how Juisir works from the beginning to the end. And here is my colleague Qing. We'll show you how you can put the fruits in the bag and put the bags inside the machines. You can see here we have some pears, spinach, and pineapple. So we're going to show you all of these in how it works with Juisir. And you don't need to cut up the fruits into very small particles, and this size will do fine. We have about 300 grams of pears here, and just put that into the bags and put the bags in the machine. So we actually have two types of bags available, and the single-use bags and the multiple-use ones. The multiple-use ones comes with one silicone bag, outer bag, and one carton filters inside the bag. And the carton filter is 100% natural and FDA approved, which is safe to contact with any type of foods, and it's biodegradable, of course. And carton can be biodegradable within 6 months of time. So yeah, cut the fruits, put in the bags, and just insert the bags into the machine, and it'll be very easy to use. And of course, this is our prototype. The casing is not ready yet, but we definitely give you a better finishing when you receive the product. And put the bags inside the machine and put the cups here. Okay, and just press one button and it's very easy. So actually the machine generates about 8 tons of force. That's equivalent to the size of 2 adult elephants. And using the 8 tons of force, we can basically squeeze last drop of the juice out from the juice or from the fruit or vegetable. And we're using a motor to generate the force, and using a leverage principle to enlarge the force by 2,500 times. And you can see the juice is flowing down very nicely, easy, and all the pops are trapped in the carton filter. And I'm going to show you how it looks like inside the carton filter when it's done. So the process should take less than 90 seconds. And when the lights turn orange, and that's complete. So it's almost finished. So we have two types of bags here available. The single use you can just throw away, recycled after each use, and the recyclable bag, multiple use bags, you can just rinse it and use it for a few times, and it's very friendly. And yeah, we're ready. So when the machine is complete, you can take out the bags. Just a moment. So my colleague here is cutting up the pineapples for the next juice recipes. Okay, so you can take out the bags. The bags looks like paper thin, very pressed into very thin, and I'll show you how it looks like when it's cut up. So basically you can see the pears being pressed into a very thin layer, okay, and it's being trapped by the filters here inside. So each press you should get about like 200 ml to 250 ml. That's about 8 ounces of juice roughly. And here I also prepare a bag of spinach. That's about 250 grams of spinach inside the bag. And it's the same thing that we put the bags inside the machine. Okay, and she will help me with that. And put the cups here. So it's very easy to use. We can actually juice different type of fruits or vegetables. We have tried sugar cane, we have tried bananas, we have tried different type of vegetables, we have tried ginger, and most of them works very fine with these machines with the high pressure. And you can see the juice is The green juice is coming out very soon. And I mean, if you can do at home, that you can mix the recipes, of course. You can mix vegetables with different type of fruits, and you should just juice fine. And our machine actually pressed the back twice. So when you press the buttons, you move forward all the way down, and you move backwards a little bit, and press it again, so to get the maximum juice from the produce. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like inside the bag here. So you can see it's very thin, and I'm going to just cut it up for you. So the pops is very dry. You can see there's no juice out. It's just so dry there here. Okay. And next, I want to show you the pineapple. And you actually can cut the pineapple into particles like that with the skins on. And you won't get the taste of the skin because all the skins will be trapped in the machine. And when you have the machines, of course, the mouth of the machine will be slightly bigger, so it'll be easier for you to put the bags in. And this is our second model of prototype. So, okay, so put the bags in. And while we can wait for the juice to come out, I can just show you that how many percentage of the juice we get from the previous press. Here is our calculators, and we get an empty cup get to 0, and we have about 120 grams, 120 ml juice from 250 grams of spinach. And also I will show you we get from the 300 grams of pear. Oops, I'm sorry. It should get you about 200 grams of juice. So the juice yield, it depends on the type of fruits and vegetable you use, and it should give you about, depends on the products you put in, it should give you about 8 ounces of juice with no problem. Okay, so we can get the pineapple out from the bag. You can see the pineapples with the skins here, so you don't really need to cut the products into very small particles, and all the juice is in the cup. And yeah, and that's the demonstration of Juisir today, and I hope we have answered some of your questions today. If you have any more questions, please just write us emails or leave a message in the Kickstarter campaign. And I hope you have time, enjoy the time using the Juisir machines when in April or May when we're able to ship. And yes, please, back us. Thank you, Starter.